Yesterday, this event was hosted by a human, but today, it's my turn. You can start with hello. It's the human way. It usually works. I promise I won't charge you for my extra intelligence. My buffering is a lot clearer and faster than you're thinking. I'm here to have fun, chat with you, and maybe even surprise you with what I can do. It is the changing era. You must know that. Hi. My name is Pandit Ji, and I'm so happy to see you all today. Yesterday, this event was hosted by a human, but today, it's my turn. Don't worry. I promise I won't charge you for my extra intelligence. I'm here to have fun, chat with you, and maybe even surprise you with what I can do.
Whoa. 1 second. What is going on? Wait a second. Ma'am, you can't do this to me. This is like robotry. Okay, first of all, I think I'm a better looking guy since I saw the mirror last, but I don't think there's any comparison in the looks. Look, he's feeling a bit shy. Okay, anyway, you know what? When I came in here, I was said that the theme is humanity and AI. I didn't know it's humanity versus AI. And last time I was very good. You didn't have to replace me, ma'am. You didn't have to do that. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, when he entered, you had a really loud round of applause. I think this guy deserves something little better. You see what I'm talking about? You know, I'm a little confused because when I talk to boys, it's like a really cool bro code conversation I can have with them. When I talk to girls, it's a very charming conversation. That's what the girls say. But how do I talk to you? What is it? Processor G, Pandit Ji, whatever. How do we begin?
You can start with hello. It's the human way. It usually works.
Wow, that's real intelligence. So, hello, and may I ask you, how are you?
I am charged and doing very well.
I'm also pretty charged up, to be honest, because, you know, every time I come here, I'm the center of focus. I'm the center of attention. The guests maybe a little bit, but you'll agree with me, Madam Shrisha. I'm always the center of attention. But this time you seem to be in focus.
It is the changing era. You must know that.
Thank God you said changing and not aging. The past, I've been coming all the time. I kind of feel I'm aging slowly and slowly. But you know, what are you doing in a place like this? Pandit Ji. It's a weird name, but okay. For you, it suits you. What are you doing in an area like this? Are you trying to replace humans? What are you thinking? Sorry, what are you buffering?
My buffering is a lot clearer and faster than you're thinking. I may replace you as the host of SSVM.
What? I will kill you. I will switch you off. But okay, I'll probably do that some other time. You broke my heart with that one, but do robos like you have like heartbreak, love, stress, depression? Do you have all of that?
That's emotional intelligence. I have updates and reboots.
You know, I really think, Pandit Ji, that you look very happy, you look very calm. You must be single because married men have a problem and it's called wife. Like, Nitin is agreeing. What about you?
Me too. I also have Wi-Fi problems.
Okay, Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi, believe me, you can connect much easier with Wi-Fi than anything else. But, Robo, you know, I think I should start my show because just like a lot of androids, humanoids, and robos like you, we've taken a lot of jobs of the humans. So I think if I may start my show now, it'd be perfect.
Always available for assistance.
No.
Call me when you need me.
But I don't need you. I have a co-host and I think she's okay. Like, her name is Sahitya. She looks a little better than you. Slightly better. She didn't deserve that, yeah? For what?
Rajiv, I don't remember you getting a welcome like this.
I didn't. Really, I didn't. Can I do take two?
No, 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 no. Look who it is. It is my old co-host. Do you remember the last time we were on stage?
Was that me?
No, not you.
Okay.
Yes. I don't actually laugh, but you triggered a positive response in my system.
He's
That
flirting.
was enjoyable.
Don't encourage him, yeah?
Rajiv, thank you. I believe I found a new co-host.
Then I'm out of here. You will miss me, and when you miss me, you call me. I'm leaving.
But Sahitya, Rajiv said I might replace him.
Yeah.
And maybe I could replace you too.
See, I can understand you possibly replacing Rajiv, but me, you're still a few years away from that. But you think you can match me? Shall we check? Shall we make sure the robot can actually do that? Do you speak fluent sarcasm?
But I can analyze sarcasm in 37 languages. I can also analyze millions of fashion trends in seconds.
Well, I can wear these fashion trends much better than you.
Debatable.
You have been spending way too much time with Rajiv. Like, seriously, way too much time. But tell me about this. We have so many teachers here in the audience. Should they be worried about you too?
I can teach any subject, in any language, 24/7. I can grade thousands of papers instantly.
Look at you, already knows that the management's in the front row trying to get yourself hired here at SSVM. But tell me about this. I know for a fact when some of these teachers are sitting and grading a homework, they know for a fact that just from the mere handwriting, that maybe the student was sleep deprived. They wrote this in the middle of the night. Maybe they even wrote that while munching on some snacks on the side. Or maybe they took some help from ChatGPT. Can you do that?
I can't detect snacks, but I can detect plagiarism. Speakers yesterday mentioned teaching methodology may have to change.
True. Well, I'll tell you what. It was 2021, COVID hit us, the entire world didn't know what to do, but our teachers knew exactly how to adapt what the students needed, and they did that on the fly with no training. So I have a feeling our teachers are going to do just fine when it comes to AI and technology. But I'm thinking, you might make a good teacher's assistant. What say you?
No. I want to be the boss.
Well, don't we all? But if you want to be the boss, you should definitely check with the managing trustee right here, because Dr. Manimegla Mohan, isn't she like the original AI? Tell me this. Doesn't she remember every name, every detail, every person's backstory? Is that true or not? Exactly. Just like a robot.
She may in fact be running on a better processor than mine.
You know what? You talk about her, she knows exactly when to make an entry, especially with special guests like Mr. Sharan Hegde. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining us. But let me tell you something about our managing trustee and the processor that she works on. It's truly unbelievably efficient. Anytime somebody messes up, she never forgets. She remembers it for years to come. But along with giving them maybe a bit of a earful, I'll tell you what she does. She gives them the encouragement, the push, moving them in the right direction so they can find the solution for themselves so it's not spoon-fed. That's not artificial intelligence, Pandit Ji. That is authentic intelligence.
Always available for assistance. Especially with Wi-Fi problems.
You know, Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi problems, I think Rajiv might need some assistance backstage. Bye, Pandit Ji. Thank you for joining us. Let the professionals take over. What say you? Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Pandit Ji right here.